Bye.
I didn't think I was getting in this thing.
Yeah, I didn't think so either. This is awesome.
I'm not sure if I trust it.
Wow. It's like, ATM, ATM.
Sorry about that. I hope they didn't mess up your picture.
No, no problem.
Oh, no.
I bumped him.
Oh.
So I got a southeast and southwest. And down here at the lower is the southwest. Breeze, that's a change. So the balloon goes with the wind. If you feel a breeze, that's a wind change, a direction change.
Oh.
Are you guys with Morgan and David?
Yeah.
Are you pilots as well?
Not me.